Today, we'll explore one of the most fascinating phenomena in the universe: neutron stars. A neutron star is a unique type of star, with some truly strange and extraordinary characteristics that set it apart from ordinary stars. The formation of a neutron star, at the end of a massive star's life, typically one with at least 8 times the mass of our Sun, the hydrogen in its core runs out. At this point, the core begins to collapse. The temperature in the core rises to about 15 million Kelvin. Meanwhile, the star tries to burn up the remaining hydrogen in its outer layers, causing the outer shell to expand, making the star swell to an enormous size. This phase is called a red supergiant. Inside the core, nuclear fusion reactions continue in the following order: hydrogen, helium, carbon, neon, oxygen, silicon. Eventually, this process creates an iron core.
Now, the real trouble begins.
Iron doesn't produce energy when fused, so the core can no longer support itself. Gravity takes over, causing the star to collapse rapidly. In just a few milliseconds, the mass of the star crumbles under its own gravity, creating a spectacular and beautiful event known as a supernova. The outer layers are blasted away at speeds of thousands of kilometers per second, and over thousands of years, this material forms a large glowing cloud of gas and dust called a supernova remnant. With such immense pressure, protons and electrons in the core are forced together, combining to form neutrons in a process known as neutronization. The core becomes a superdense mass with a density of around 100 quadrillion, 10 to the power of 17 kg per cubic meter. To put that in perspective, the core of the Sun has a density of about 150,000, 1.5 times 10 to the power of 5 kg per cubic meter, which is about a trillion, 10 to the power of 12 times denser than the Sun's core. The force between these neutrons is incredibly strong, preventing the core from collapsing further and forming a neutron star. So we've now learned how one of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the universe is formed.